Hello everyone, this is Zach here from TripVSA. So today this short video here, just want to comment three counters that as commented by our friends here. Okay, so we're going to review Hiaptek, Malton and Magni. I think some of the counters here are forming kind of nice setup and patterns. Okay, so if you want me to cover your counter next, okay, you can actually comment below in this video here. So I'll pick up three counters to include in the next review section. Okay. So first of all, we go to Hiaptek first. Okay, I think the set is getting more interesting. Like I said previously, I'm not really into all the steel counters. Okay, but the set is slowly getting better. Okay, with some sort of like a effort bus coming in with sound strength near to support. Okay, so Hiaptek is one of them. Okay, actually they are still like building a sideway after a reaccumulation, force breakup causing them to go into sideway again. And again, let's go to a weekly chart. Okay, so just a quick one on this weekly chart here. Immediately we see something that is kind of like interesting. Okay, so things that I like. Okay, so I always like when the stock's having a NS, okay, near to the support. Okay, again, we are looking weekly chart right now. So every time when there is a NS, okay, over your charts there, you can actually use that as an immediate support. Okay, so again, if you are new to our channel here, if you're not sure what is NS, okay, NS representing no supply and is represent no sellers. Okay, when you got no seller in the area, which means it built a good support. Okay, so let's go to the daily chart again. So just want to look into weekly, what is the overall trend? Okay, is this healthy or not? So looking into the daily chart, so seems like yes, it does confirm with lots of sound strength coming in again. If you realize the volume of Abba is getting pretty good. Okay, overall they are trying to push back to 2040s. But do bear in mind, okay, this kind of reaccumulation stocks, most of the time it takes a little bit time. So it's very important to continue to look for this kind of clues, okay, if you want to, buy and hold uh, this kind of reaccumulation stocks. Okay, it might take for few months, okay, before they're able to break up. Okay, now the other one is Malton. Yeah, I think also this guy also doing some reaccumulation very nicely right now. So after a big break, okay, this is the previous high volume areas. So again, we start from the weekly first. Okay, so weekly always give us an idea what is the overall trends looks like. So at least you can actually ride together along with the trend. Okay, so we got a downtrend. Okay, always on the left hand side, this is the big uptrust. Okay, so downtrend. Okay, I think it's for members if you attended the 7-day series. Okay, we go through this together. Remember, so uptrust high volume weaknesses. Okay, so 2040s today. If you're watching on what is day today? What is the date? Today is 27 August. Okay, so if you're watching right now, remember make sure you attend today because we're gonna look into the 2040 as well. Okay, so high volume change the trend again. High volumes coming in. They make a big dip. I think this is last year. All the stock also being impacted. Okay, so make a clean watch. Okay, so here we come back again, the volumes again, a long period of reaccumulation. Now seems like um the reaccumulation is getting stronger. If you realize the chart, okay, is moving along with 2040s, okay, based on weekly, of course. Okay, so it kind of remind me on how KSSC moved previously. So, but of course, KSSC it move in daily chart, so it tends to be faster. But Malton is in weekly, okay. So probably you might expect few months, okay. But at least one thing confirmed, they are doing accumulations right now. Okay, so Malton's NS, okay, we got some Sarah SP, some tests, okay, for members attended this masterclass. You should able to spot some good COC too. Okay, now let's go back to daily again because weekly just to inform us, okay, where is the overall direction. Okay, so okay, on daily basis, if you are looking for short term wise, I think email resistance is pretty obvious. Okay, so you can also use this trend line. Okay, this is the short term trend line. So you just hope it just hits and hold, okay, at the bottom of this support line over here. Okay, so the other day we got LC high volume, which is pretty nice, drop with low volume. So like I said, because this is still in reaccumulation, it tends to be a little bit slow overall, but I think they are holding very well, very nicely at the moment. Okay, so just need to be a little bit of patience. Okay, so price push through 2040 as well. Okay, so hopefully we can see more effort bars coming in. Okay, before they can actually try to break on the resistance level. Okay, so that's Malton. Technically, I kind of like it. Okay, if you're looking for something like slightly in the long term side. Okay, so last one, this is Magnite. Okay, now in the other hands for Magnite, this is a chart that actually make a big wash. Now they are actually trying at the resistance side. Okay, let's look into here. Okay, previously we got a kind of big up thrust. Okay, of course this is based on weekly chart. Okay, and they try to close up but fail again. And we got a small UT again. Now seems like break below the trend 40s. Okay, so what I'm afraid is that uh in my form an inverse pullback. Okay, so these are things that I worry because usually when it drop below trend 40s, this is representing that the trend might be weakening overall. Okay, and you need to have a strong retest back to the support area. So let's look over here. This is the interesting volume as well. Okay, so this is a high volume. They actually close below. Okay, so I can say this is it doesn't show a lot of strength, to be frank. Okay, so I mean, if you wanted to trade, you have to be slightly extra careful. Okay, in my opinions. Okay, so now this is still is a self high volume bar. Okay, price cross trend 40, but seems that overall is low volume. Okay, it doesn't come with a very good volume when they cross. Okay, over here. Okay, so to be safe, okay, I think I prefer something that can be high volume, okay, to ensure there's a clean reversal. I think at the moment right now when I'm doing this video here, this is 27th of August around like 11:15 a.m. Some of the steel are making nice reversal with high volume. Some are doing a very good pullbacks today. So can slowly aim, okay, on this kind of clean reversal with volume. Okay. Anyway, I prefer a reversal with volume. Okay. So that's just my personal preference. Okay, again, this video here is not to ask you to buy or sell some things. Okay, so definitely if you want to look for some entry exit, make sure you study the chart well. Okay, do your own plan. Okay, on regarding the risk and rewards. Okay, so if you like our videos here, if you like what we share, okay, make sure you click the like buttons. Okay, subscribe to this channel and comment below. Okay, what's the stock you think I should include in the next video. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.